moving the diamond. Fascia is like this interesting netting that covers us. It's connective tissue, just like your tendons and your ligaments are connective tissue, your fascia is. And it kind of what holds you in place. And as you get older and you don't move as much, it gets stiffer. So they did this study about low back pain, and they analyzed hundreds of people, and they found that they did MRIs, couldn't find anything low back. X-rays couldn't find any problems with their low back. So they started to theorize that they thought it might be the fascia in the low back that's so tight that's constricting and causing pain. So they put people into 3 different control groups. 2 of the 3 control groups did exercise as movement, and the other 1/3 of the control group did not have any exercise. So the second control group did gymnastics. So I have no idea what they did. I don't know if they did headstands, handstands, back handsprings, I don't know, but they did gymnastics. And the third control group did yoga. So at the end of the findings, they realized that the 2 groups that improved were the people who did the exercise. And so gymnastics and yoga were equal in terms of relieving low back pain. So they thought, okay, so this is interesting because yoga and the meditation and the breathing really wasn't as beneficial as what was in common? Stretching. So now what we're going to do is we're going to all be aware of stretching the diamond shape of our fascia in our low back. And can everybody see this is a diamond? This is an anatomical drawing right here of your muscles and your fascia. And that truly is a diamond shape. The purpose of the study was to say that this area gets very, very tight, very, very dense, not pliable, and can cause a lot of low back pain. Pulling on the muscles, pulling on the structure of the bones and things like that. So when we do movements, I want everyone to be aware of when we're stretching the diamond. And we're going to be doing specific movements to stretch into that diamond. And hopefully you can start to feel some of that looseness and the relief of that.